before my parents were looking actually, but after that I started to look out because it was not matching my ideology with the girls they were showing. So I only started my subscription with Bharat Matrimony, and then I was checking like I was looking for like working women. So and like then I sent like request using that their numbers when I got the and their dad agreed so that we can meet up in a coffee day, and then it all started there.
When I first met him, I thought he's very shy to talk to people, like talking to people, or like he'll take his time to talk and mingle with people. So that is what I felt, and I thought that he's like same like me.
She is very understanding and she's very caring.
I'm coming to another house, leaving my parents and everybody, and I have to adjust to their family and everything. So he's giving me that space to get adjusted to everything here. So yeah, that is one thing, and that he has given me from the throughout our like before the marriage also. He would be understanding like how I want my life to be and everything. So that is what I like them. Okay. We thought we should go out and explore together how we'll be together, like spending the whole day together. So we'll get to know each other how we are. So we had been to Avalabetta. So here nearby Bangalore. So he had picked me. We went in a long drive, and we had some time spending. That's when I think we got to know more about each other. So I was working in Bangalore, but every weekend I used to go to my house, Mysore. So I was traveling. So I just told him that, will you accompany me? Like, come to Mysore, we can spend one day. While going back, I'll come with you. So he just agreed in a first go. So that is one thing I didn't thought that he'll agree and he'll come to Mysore. We got married through Bharat Matrimony service. So we'll be very happy. Like, I got my partner through them. I'm very happy. Like, I didn't ever thought that I'll get him through a matrimony site.
One thing about Bharat Matrimony, like we find people from across, like I mean, like from Bangalore, we use like if my parents searching, they will search nearby. But in this, like we get to know other people, like or like familiar matches, like so that is a good thing about that.
Throughout the India, we can find the guy. Not only near to us, I think throughout India we can find anybody who we like. Like, if we like them, we can go and approach them. It is very nice feeling like you have someone for everything. Like when you're happy, you can share everything. When you're sad, you can share, and someone will be there with you always. Like, that feeling is like awesome. Like, yeah, you have someone to share things. You have someone you can hold on to. You can discuss. And you can get, if you are stuck with something, he's there to help you. So yeah, that is a like good feeling. Everybody should have someone in their life.